Okay, this is the model we are going to create using the SolidWorks. In this model, all the dimensions are given in millimeters. Okay. Then file, new part drawing. Okay. Then I'm going to initiate this modeling by selecting the front plane. That means I'm going to draw this view looking from this direction on a front plane. Front plane, make it normal. Center rectangle. 110, 60, 110. $66. This dimension is equal to 12. So then I am going to draw the vertical center line, infinite length. Then what are the dimensions? Dimension here 78. Then I'm going to mirror this one about this axis, and this is the one we are going to mirror. Okay. Now we are ready to, there's also another feature, no? The rectangular feature. Then what are the dimensions for this rectangle? This one is equal to 30 and 24. 24. 40. Here to here, the dimension is given the 40. Okay. Now we are ready to extrude. Then we have to select the contours. This one. The two direction. Okay. Then I'm going to create this middle feature by extrude cut. So I'm going to draw it on a right plane, to make it normal to the view. Sketch the center line. The vertical center line I'm going to draw infinite length. So then choose the center rectangle. The thickness is equal 14. Then this height, this dimension is equal 38. From edge to this surface height is equal 38. Feature extrude cut through wall. This is how we are creating this model using the SolidWorks software.